Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about something very important for all of us, self improvement. Self improvement is about becoming a better version of ourselves every day. It is about growing, learning, and changing for the better. We all want to be happy, successful, and confident, but sometimes we wait for big changes or big opportunities. The truth is, real improvement comes from small, consistent steps. Every little step we take can lead to big change over time. The first step in self improvement is understanding yourself. You need to know your strengths and weakness. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I need to work on? When you understand yourself, you can make better choices and improve faster. The second step is setting goals. Goals give us direction. Without a goals, we are like a ship without a sail. Start with small goals that you can achieve every day. It can be as simple as reading a page of a book, waking up early, or learning one new thing every day. Small goals lead to bigger goals, and bigger goals lead to success. The third step is developing good habits. Habits are the foundation of our life. Positive habits like being organized, staying healthy, and being kind can change our life completely. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about being consistent. The fourth step is learning from mistakes. No one is perfect. We all make mistakes, and that is okay. Mistakes are lesson in disguise. Instead of feeling sad or giving up, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This mindset will help you grow faster and become stronger. The fifth step is staying motivated. Motivation is the energy that keeps us moving. Sometimes life gets hard and we feel like giving up. In those moments, remind yourself why you started. Think about your dreams and imagine how good it will feel when you achieve them. Motivation comes from believing in yourself. The sixth step is surrounding yourself with positive people. The people around us influence our thoughts and actions. If you spend time with positive, hardworking, and supportive people, you will also become positive and hardworking. Avoid negativity because it can stop you from improving. The seventh step is taking care of your mind and body. A healthy body and a calm mind are very important for self improvement. Eat healthy, exercise, sleep well, and practice mindfulness. When your mind and body are strong, it becomes easier to focus on your goals and make progress. The eighth step is never stop learning. Life is full of opportunities to learn. Read books, watch educational videos, try new things, and ask questions. The more you learn, the more you grow. Remember, growth is a lifelong journey, and every day is a chance to improve. Self improvement is not just about yourself. When you become better, you can help others too. Your kindness, knowledge, and positivity can inspire people around you. Self improvement creates a ripple effect. It helps you and the world around you. Self improvement is about taking small steps every day. Understand yourself, set goals, build good habits, learn from mistakes, stay motivated, surround yourself with positivity, take care of your mind and body, and never stop learning. Remember, the journey of self improvement is not a race, it is a personal journey to become the best version of yourself. Start today, take one small step, and watch your life change for the better. You have the power to improve, grow, and shine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you to start your self improvement journey today.